Welcome one, welcome all to another episode of Huwan Laagan. So welcome back mga kalaag. Walay pagduha-duha ni Sutoy den mig Isabel. And to those who know the place, yes, we are here at El Fatoria, here in Isabel, province of Leyte. Unsaon taman pakanon tuod ta pero pahangako na anay taning mga hagdanan padung taas. And for today's trip, we have Gino, we have Clint, and we have Axel and Jimson sa likod nako. Siya nag-video nako actually mo ng kapoy nakigbaktas kayo pamitog kayo. Kay unsaon ma'am wala may kuryente sa Ormoc City, so ang nahitabo nga tuminog overnight sa libas. Then since nang-invite man ni si Clint og si Gino for lunch, maong nakuyog sad ning duha. Kay taga kurba man napil lang overnight, lahos mo nagitawag nga Huwan Laagan kay di kuyog man mo apil gud mo Sutoy. And good to say that we have our reservation for 5. That's the reason na namin nakaset up nga table pag-abot pa lang. And while waiting for the rest of our food to be served, nindot good kaayo makigstoryaanay, catching up for the rest of the weeks nga nahitabo namo. Kay Gino and Clint are busy people actually. That's the reason panagsaragid taon sad mi magkita ni nila. Mao nang anli chika kay daghan kay nahitabo sa pila ka semanang niagi. And we have ordered 2 salted caramels, 1 caramel macchiato, then napatoy macchiato lang alone. Then I don't know sa patong mga drinks na mo. But we have 3 pastas, 1 lasagna, and 2 pizzas. Oh, favorite part na yun. And we're done eating, and this is the majestic view going down since we're done eating naman. If I were going to rate the food, it's basically 9/10, and the service is 10/10. Good kaayong service, paspas kayong order. To Gino and Clint, daghang salamat kaayo. And to Axel and Jimson, I hope you enjoyed our trip. And once again, this is me, Huwan Laagan, where adventure awaits. Amping mo tanan!